Hello everyone, Lyssa here. I'd like to extend an invitation to you for a workshop that I'm doing in Mount Shasta at the Lemurian Life Expo. The workshop will be on August 11th, and it is called Awakening Inside the Matrix. I know that's kind of a dramatic title, but we're going to explore the process of awakening and the nature of reality. Either the Sirian being Hamon or the Pleiadian being Sasha that I channel will be leading the workshop, or maybe even both. It will be created in the moment. But in addition to those very, very deep topics, we're going to talk about how we on Earth now can navigate our awakening process. What are the challenges that are coming up for us? And also on a collective level of our planet, what does our awakening journey look like? There will also be time for Q&A, so bring your questions. And I also hope that they will be able to include some type of meditation or experiential journey during the workshop as well. There'll be much more to come, so I hope you'll join us. Thank you.